A gun cleaning kit is a necessity for shooters if you want your gun to last any period of time. In fact, every shooter who owns a gun needs to have the most innovative gun cleaning kit to keep their weapons clean and in proper working condition. If I had to pick just one of the great gun cleaning kits from the below list, it would be the GLORYFIRE gun cleaning kit. It covers almost all firearms including handguns, rifles, and shotguns, plus it has the brushes, ropes, mops, patches, and jags for just about every caliber. With a wide variety of guns, pistols, and rifles along with varied kits for cleaning each of them, it often becomes challenging to find a kit that suits your requirements. Number 3. Allen Universal Gun Cleaning Kit. Allen Company Universal Gun Cleaning Kit is an ideal 65 pieces kit that can help keep your handguns, rifles, and shotguns perfectly clean. This professional-grade handgun cleaning kit comes in a toolbox for easy storage and includes all the components to clean 12-gauge, 20-gauge, and .410 bore shotguns, as well as all the handgun and rifle calibers you might need. Ideally designed for the traditional shooter, this gun cleaning kit with a toolbox has ample space for storing the cleaning chemicals, extra patches, cleaning cloths, and extra jags or brushes. Above all, this universal gun cleaning kit includes all the needed essentials such as cotton swabs, patches, bronze brushes, brass jags, brass slotted tips, brass adapters, cleaning rods, and muzzle guards. Number 2. GLORYFIRE Universal Gun Cleaning Kit. Here's another pick from GLORYFIRE. It seems they're doing things right if our top 2 slots belong to this brand. If you're looking for a no-hassle gun cleaning kit, the GLORYFIRE Universal Kit is for you. Equipped with everything you need, the GLORYFIRE Kit comes with high-quality brass and nylon tools that for a superior clean. This means that you'll never have to worry about your tools breaking off inside your gun. This kit could be considered the little brother of our number 1 reviewed cleaning kit. It has almost the same stuff but lacks the bore snakes, ropes, patches, and few of the other things that make the big brother our top pick. Number 1. GLORYFIRE Gun Cleaning Kit. What is the most important thing you look for when buying a gun cleaning kit? The quality of the tools? Its ability to provide an effective, but easy, clean? Its portability? This GLORYFIRE gun cleaning kit has it all. And then some. This kit boasts all the tools you'll need for universal gun cleaning. Great for gun lovers anywhere. This kit truly offers the superior value that will make you happy. GLORYFIRE spends a lot of time listening to their customers. Like many of the sellers on Amazon, they make similar products as everyone else. But it seems they've adopted more of a fast follower model that incorporates what's selling well, plus listening to what extras may be desired by other gun owners.